Well, Steve,
Yeah.
a dream come true?
Dude, she's looking pretty sweet. 17 waterfalls counting the slide. And it's just amazing to see everything just up and running right now.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Yeah, of course.
That's how you found us. We're happy that we could help make your dreams a reality here, and it's just a pleasure to be here to see it in action.
Came across you guys, and I was like, well, these are the pool wizards I need. The equipment wizards. So,
Hey, let's seal it with a handshake.
appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Enjoy your pool.
Here with AquaPoolSupply.com and Marlin Pools, our trusted installation partner. We're back. Paradise in the desert. I'm Nick. We have a lot going on. Why don't we go check it out?
I can pull that side.
This is the professional way of doing this. For all you kids out there.
That's the OG way to do it right there.
I'll try that on.
Ready for the magic?
I'm ready. The moment we've been waiting for.
Go to the pool.
That initial prime is just gonna take a little extra. She's alive. Nothing happening in here yet?
I use them rocks to place them
Yeah.
to maneuver the water around where it comes off. Coming off too much on one side, too much. Put an accent rock up there to divert the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna adjust this one.
Yeah.
And then look, guys.
Oh. Oh yeah. I gotta get the view from downstairs.
Oh yeah.
Refreshing?
Woo-hoo! Yeah, buddy. Water startup, reset throttle. Wait.
Well, Steve, it's got to be surreal to seeing it in action, right? Been a long time coming. I'm sure it just started on a piece of paper. Sketch. Well, Steve,
Yeah.
a dream come true.
Dude, she's looking pretty sweet.
I got to get the full effect bar side here. Oh, yeah. How many years again?
It's been like over 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
A dream come true?
Oh yeah, we've been working away at it. Towards the end there, we had a great collaboration. Some of the industry leaders like Marlin Pools and Aqua Pool Supply, Rico Rockstar formations on the grotto over here, and Alpine formations for inside grotto a little bit. So for the most part, we did about 90% of it ourselves. So we're pretty happy. It's just like a couple kids building a fort, and it's just amazing to see everything just up and running right now.
Yeah.
So
you said earlier that you just had a smile permanently on your face.
Yeah. It's hard to wipe it off.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, keep that smile on there, Steve. We hope that you're satisfied. And what's the next project?
No, nothing. This is it. This is it. It's a wrap. We've got a few things. These guys are finishing up on the spa here, and we'll be turning a waterfall on in there and filling that up. And 17 waterfalls counting the slide. A lot of water moving around.
That's right. So when are you taking your inaugural cliff dive? That's the big question.
I don't know. I'm running around like Mother Hen right now.
Well, thanks for getting in touch with us. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Yeah, of course.
That's how you found us. We're happy that we could help make your dreams a reality here, and it's just a pleasure to be here to see it in action, really.
Well, I got to the pool equipment again and researching stuff, and came across you guys, and I was like, well, these are the pool wizards I need.
You call us the wizards.
The wizards, the equipment wizards. So.
Yeah. All right, Steve. Okay. Hey, let's seal it with a handshake.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Enjoy your pool.
That needs to be updated. So no filter pump, so it's going to be, this is blower, which is aux 1. And 2 over here, this should be spotlight.
Let there be light.